Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Altea. As Mayor Jaume Llinares just said, we'll do our best to offer you a view of our tiny homeland. This piece of the Mediterranean world that vows to contribute to a better perception of diversity. Diversity as a source of wealth instead of a source of threat. Let me summarize the socioeconomic environment of Altea for you. We are a municipality with approximately 22,000 inhabitants. This sum increases in a very significant way during summer months, and if you had the chance to have a look around, you'll guess why. Total land area is about 35 square kilometers, and we enjoy and try to get the most out of our 8 kilometers of coastline under a privileged climate. As you can imagine, according to these conditions, it's quite obvious that the main motor of our economy lays in the tertiary sector. The service sector, tourism, accounts for over 80% of the registered jobs, followed by far by agriculture and fishery. And I only have 5 minutes, no, Paloma? Okay. We better leave for another moment comments about what happened with construction in the first decade of this century and the collateral effects of the real estate bubble. As you can see, there's an evident imbalance in our sources of wealth. And this fact brings us to the burning issue of softening this lack of diversification. According to the latest official statistics, the unemployment rate is sitting at 13%. It may look excessive for some of you, I understand, but we are a couple of points below the provincial average. We, the inhabitants of Altea, the Alteanos, we are a diverse community. A third of our population comes from abroad. As a curiosity, for such a small town, citizens of 27 different countries contribute to our social fabric. And for those of you who have a certain knowledge of Spanish, don't get confused if you don't get much of certain conversations. You had a sample before with Mayor Jaume Llinares. Two co-official languages coexist fluently. Valenciano, native's mother tongue, my language, and Spanish. We enjoy really the privilege of being bilingual. Altea is a city fully committed to culture. Since the late 60s, Altea has been a refuge for poets, singers, potters, painters, and other artists. Since the 70s, Altea has been cultivating interest in art and culture and has become a reference in this area. Nowadays, Altea is the seat of the Faculty of Fine Arts of the University Miguel Hernández. And talking about culture, it's really complicated to put in a nutshell the flood of events going on during the year as a non-stop party. Many of them have to do with the main festivals and the social potential moving around them. So I won't try. You'll have the chance this evening to meet some of the representatives. During the next couple of days, we'll share with you a piece of our homeland, of our lifestyle, and we'll try to share with you a piece of our soul too. We will also give you an insight into our cultural heritage. And yes, of course, we had to find some time to work too. So hopefully we'll share more than a bit of our vision and expectations concerning the issue that brought us here together. As you may know, this will be our first leadership on an European project. This is a welcome challenge to us, a qualitative leap forward in our know-how and in our commitment to the project, and in our commitment of you. Please enjoy your stay. Thank you.